everybody. Well, we're gonna have a little bit of a tutorial on how a car is judged at a condition and prep show. This is not a concours. This is basically how nice your paint is, how good your body panels are lined up, how good the paint on your engine is, how clean your engine compartment is, how nice your interior is, how clean everything is. So it's basically condition and prep, not originality. That is not how most shows are. So it's basically, it's pleasing to the eye and done well. Basic. So here's my video from the Mopars with Don Garlitz, and I'm looking at a 2022 or 2021 Jeep Wrangler. Alright, so judging. This is always a big question with people at car shows. Most car shows are condition and prep. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this really nice Jeep Sahara, and we're going to judge it. So my buddy Chris and I are going to go and walk around this thing, and it's really simple because they have a little judging sheet, and it has condition of the exterior, wheels, tires, engine area, hood, interior, trunk, and a fire extinguisher as a +1 point. So we're gonna go through this, and here, you can hold the clipboard, and we'll start. I like starting in the engine compartment. All right, so first thing, since we're doing condition and prep, you just look at the condition of everything. See if anything's broken, missing, out of place. This is a relatively new vehicle. This is usually pretty easy.
Yeah.
So the next thing we look for cleanliness. All right, so
it's clean.
It's clean. I usually look down, just see if a little extra effort was made. They really went down, hosed in there, wiped stuff down, and there's no dust or gack or whatever. Oh, wow, this is pretty nice. She really, I'm tilting it. She really took care of this. I would give this a 9. This is a little bit, but I'd give it a 9. It's not perfect. So, see, very, very nice though. All right, so what's next? So Mark, go to the engine area, and you mark 9 and write 9 down. Okay. So then, what else we have on there? Want to go to? All right, we do wheels and tires. Okay, so what you're looking for: wheels and tires. You're looking to make sure the wheels themselves are clean. The condition of the wheel is good. Okay. Get down, look at it. Like they actually wash these wheels.
Yeah.
The tires are, they're clean. I mean, there's nothing weird going on. See, they actually went in there. There's no brake dust, no gack. Everything's really, these are pretty nice. So hold on.
I like the armor Jeep on it too.
Yeah. Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, I saw that at the hotel. And, yep, nice. Real good. Everything you can see. Yeah, wow.
We'll give them a 10.
Yeah, those are really nice. Those are very. That was a lot of caretaking, because this is actually driven. So that's a driven wheel, and it has been cleaned. All right. So we have exterior. All right. So the exterior is pretty. I mean, you do paint work.
Yeah.
I mean, so the exterior is the paint nice? Are the gaps good? And you look at it. Is there any big scratches, stuff missing?
Looks good.
Yeah, this is well kept. Wow. Yeah, paint's pretty nice on this.
Yeah.
Look at the roof. It's a little harder to see on the small car, on the tall car. Wow. Yeah, so that's it's like it's a showroom, so that'd be a 10, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
It's showroom.
Give him a 10.
Alright, so interior, I guess?
Now we got interior.
Alright, so interior. And you look at the interior, see if, dust on anything. You don't really care if it's armor-rolled, but just that it's
clean.
It's clean. And no torn seats, nothing broken, and wow. And this was considered the trunk area, so we'll come back to that. But yeah, you look in here and it's wow. This thing's like out of the showroom.
Yeah, we'll give him a 10 on that too.
Damn. Wow, I'm jealous of how nice this looks. All right, trunk. This is an easy trunk. Open it up. See, she has the tailgate up, so we can get to see the trunk itself.
Looks clean. Everything's nice.
Everything's in place. I mean, it's nice.
Just give him a 10 on that too.
Yeah, this is. And what's left? The glass. Oh.
Fire
Well, the
extinguisher.
glass goes to the exterior, but I didn't see anything wrong with the glass either. It's clean. It's nice. So.
Do they have a fire extinguisher?
Oh. I did not pick one up. I don't see one there. Oh no, let's take a look in here. Nope, so they don't get the bonus point for the fire extinguisher. Because it needs to be visible for us to see it.
Yeah.
And so, that's the basics. Sorry for the camera work, we're trying to actually do something at the same time, but that's the basics of what you're looking for when you're getting judged. They're not going to look for factory correct, they're looking for actual, if you took time to make your vehicle very nice. And this is a great example of something that's pretty nice. So, all right, hope we got something from that. And as you always, take out your classic car because you'll make someone's day, well, including your own. All right, let's go move on. Well, there you go. Kind of a quick and dirty, or is that clean, look at judging a car at a condition and prep show. I hope you got something out of that again, and if you did, smash that like button. And if you kind of really enjoyed it and want to see what I do next, you can hit the subscribe, which is right down there. And I'd be most appreciative of that. Now, there's just a couple things in summary I want to talk about going to a judged car show. The first thing, make sure you clean your car before you go. Even if you're driving it there, do a really good clean on your car before you go to the car show. Second, when you get there, empty everything out of your car. I don't care. Just make sure you have stuff so you can remove it from your car. There should be nothing in the car that wasn't with the car when it was sold, except maybe a fire extinguisher. Third, then go over your car and start at the top and work your way down and clean, whatever has happened ever since you did your last clean. And make sure you're done before the judging starts. They tell you when it's going to start approximately. Make sure you're done and away from your car when it is time to judge. You don't have to walk away. You can sit there and drink your soda, eat your hot dog, whatever, but just don't be messing around with the car. Also, look at the rules of how your car is supposed to be ready for a car show to be judged. That Mopars with Big Daddy, the cars needed to have their trunk open, their hood open, the driver's side window down. No, not all the windows, just the driver's side window down. And the placard so the judges can reach it. Also, and I implore you, you can say hello to the judge. Ask him how the day is going. And that's it. He is most likely, or she is most likely, a volunteer. Please don't try to have a full conversation with them while they're judging your car. They're trying to judge your car and a bunch of other cars also in a short amount of time so people can leave at a reasonable time. The judge does not need to know that the car is original, that you drive it every day, that it is, you know, your grandfather's car that he bought originally and he drove it cross country. No. Just say hello and thank you and be done with it at that point. And the final thing I'm going to leave you with about going to car shows, what is judging, enjoy being at the show. Do not make your whole existence based on trophies. That is a really empty, shallow kind of thing to do. I've won trophies. Yeah. I mean, I worked for them. If I got what I got, I was happy. And the whole reason I was there is actually to bring my car out so other people could see it. If I win a trophy, hey, that's a bonus. Actually, the biggest thrill I got was I got a participant's choice in my class. I got second place. I was very happy about that. I actually was more happy about that than anything else. I like when it gets picked out for being something unique. That's kind of neat. But other than that, yeah, it's not the end all be all. So with that, I tell you, go out, make sure you bring that classic car out because you will make someone's day, including your own, and bring it to shows and let people see it. And as always, catch you down the road. Have a great one.